Okay, attempt number one at making my own skirted lures. I told you it was going to be on a budget, and a budget it is. This is called PVC Pete. PVC Pete the Pusher, I reckon. So just using some PVC pipe, some skirts, some whatchamacallit hooks, dojo hooks, 200 pound leader, and put some jet holes in it to create a bit of a bubble stream. So last week went out for a squid session, and while I was in the river, I thought I'd just throw it out and just see what it swims like. And let me tell you, PVC Pete looks all right. Can't wait to get it out there in the blue stuff and take it for a swim and see what it goes like in the blue water. But let me tell you, very impressed with the way it was holding the water. Very impressed with the little bubble stream that was coming out from behind it, and very impressed with the cost, which is almost nothing. It's made from leftovers. Bit of wine cork in there just to stop the hook assembly from pulling through. Yeah, so that's how I rig them up. And mate, let me tell you, it swam like a champion. I'll be very impressed. See if this thing hooks up something. It's more about the bragging rights, you know. It's not about the money, but it's just something special about making something, taking it out there, using it, and it lands or it works. You know, bragging rights are a big thing. So stay tuned. I'll probably throw up a video of me making a couple of these. I'll make them with different head designs as well. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, stay tuned.